We will quickly look into how we can do data analysis using ChatGPT as advanced data analysis feature. This comes with the paid version, but it can do wonders. I will quickly take an report from the UE KHDA data. I will go to the KHDA data on the website. There is resources, data and statistics, and here I am going to download this data about the private school open data that is released by the government, and it is updated almost every 6 months. So this is the latest data. I have downloaded this data here, and this data, what I will do is I am going to put it in ChatGPT directly. I will be taking this data, and the first step that I do any data analysis is you need to mention do exploratory data analysis, or EDA full short form, and mention and summary of this data. This is the first thing. I know there will be a lot of worksheets, there will be a lot of files that are there, but this is something that you will get. This is the main information of this in data set. It is talking about different school names, school websites, grades, and everything, and it is doing an EDA by itself. So I have not done anything. I've just taken the raw data, put it on the hard drive, uploaded it on GPT, and this is giving us a specific information about the data sets that are there, that are different columns that are there about the data quality. And what I will do is you can play around with this data. You know the data, the domain knowledge, and I want to uh, asking for any specific thing. I just want to say top 20 schools by enrollment, by enrollment uh, in 2023, the latest year 2023, and top 20 schools by enrollment, show graph with labels. Labels is the numbering. Just you have to mention this. This has come with lot of trial, but if you do this specific thing, you will be getting the bar graph with the total schools that are there, and you can do lot of steps and play around with this data. And you, if I can zoom in, gems your own school with 10,399, and these are some of the things that you can get out of this data. You can do much more and play around with this data, and try to get specific information that you require. More you ask the right questions, the better the answer you will get. No more in the next video.